Did you get it? Oh, it's on you! Hang on. There. Oh. What are bugs? Why are they important? And what do they have to do with the colour of birds? Meet Maya Darby, an Aussie entomologist on a mission to find species of bugs new to science. Let's tag along with Maya on a Bush Blitz to the Pilliga to see what exciting bugs we can find. Whoa, Maya, what have you got there?
So I've got an Asapine stink bug, this smaller one here. Actually a predatory stink bug. And before I grabbed it, I got a photo of it feasting on this.
Wow. So what is it eating here?
I'm not sure exactly. I know that they eat caterpillars, but this actually looked like something else.
Why are they called stink bugs?
They excrete a very nasty smell to deter other things that might want to eat them.
Ooh, I think I can smell it.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, that's so cool. And how many species do you think you found on the trip so far?
I think I found at least 12 to 15 species.
Wow, in 2 weeks?
Yeah.
That's incredible.
And maybe even a new species, potentially.
Wow, a new species of stink bug to science. How cool. So Maya, how did you get into bugs?
So I got into bugs after studying ornithology and applied ecology. And I just loved coming through forests like this and the outback as well, and looking for different things that were on plants. And a lot of those things are bugs. And then I started getting interested in the things that birds ate, and a lot of them eat bugs and insects. We have a lot of mirids in the forest in the Pilliga, and they love these flowering plants. You'll often see them, they're very small and green.
And are there any animals that eat bugs?
Yeah, so lots of animals. Birds, for example, eat bugs. And a lot of birds get their beautiful colours from the colours found in bugs and insects.
Whoa, hang on, what do you mean?
Yeah, so birds get their red, orange, pink, yellow pigments from the carotenoids in bugs and plants.
That's crazy. So you are what you eat, essentially.
Yeah, exactly. Like if we eat lots of carrots, you might notice your skin gets a bit of an orange hue.
Yeah.
Same for birds.
Do bugs come in different shapes and sizes?
Yeah, they certainly do. We have some very large bugs and we have some very, very tiny bugs. Often you'll find them on flowering plants.
Did you just find another one?
Not a stink bug. Oh, I think it's flown off. But these calatrix are full of little tiny critters, lots of mirids, which are plant bugs.
Wow. So if they're plant bugs, are there different species living on different types of bushes?
Yeah, exactly. So a lot of bugs will have their own host plant, which they either like to eat from or lay their eggs on. And this one's flowering everywhere in the Pilliga at the moment, so it's quite a popular one. So we've just grabbed this adult stink bug from this casuarina.
Oh, what was it doing on a tree?
So they live throughout the forest. Some of them live on these casuarinas. This one is very dorsoventrally flattened, so its body is nice and flat, allowing it to live under the bark.
Whoa, it's huge.
It's really big. This is an adult. And you can see, I'm not sure if you can see here down the center of its body through the midline.
Ooh.
That's its sucking mouth parts. And that's the kind of mouth parts that these true bugs have.
Wow, so they use their mouth part as a giant straw to drink from the plant?
Exactly.
Oh, wow. Maya, where are some of the best places that bugs live?
Bugs love to live anywhere there's a flowering plant. So we've got a beautiful calatrix over here. And I would say there are probably quite a few bugs on here. And it's also a really good spot because we're right by this gorgeous creek line. And even though it's dry at the moment, there's water running beneath it.
Wow.
And the bugs love it here.
So you say bugs, but are all insects bugs?
No, so bugs, when people refer to them in general, they might mean beetles or bugs or insects in general, spiders and creepy crawlies. But scientists, when we refer to bugs, usually we're talking about true bugs. So I've got this one here that we found earlier. This is a stink bug, and it's a true bug, and the main way that you can tell is this long sucking mouth part that they use like a straw.
So Maya, how many species of bugs are there in Australia?
So there's so many that we actually don't even know how many there are.
Really?
Yeah, so we know in science we have named about 20% of the species that exist in Australia in terms of bugs and insects.
Wow.
So there's a lot to discover and a lot to learn.
Have you ever named a species of true bug?
I've never named a species, but I think a lot of people on this trip have, which is very exciting for me as an early career researcher, and maybe I'll name one after this trip.
Oh, and what's been your favourite part about the Bush Blitz and the Pilliga so far?
I think it's seeing the amount of biodiversity that's out here. There's so many things, and I've seen hundreds of bugs and insects I've never seen before.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's really exciting.
And how do you catch bugs?
So interesting you should ask. We're walking through a track where I set up a Malays trap earlier in the week, right by the creek line that we have behind us. And I've just spotted it, it's over here.
Oh, let's go check it out. I mean, if I was a bug, I'd love to live here too. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, exactly. They love these spots by the creek. So here's the Malays trap over here.
Ah, I thought it was a little tent.
Yeah, it is like a tent trap. So I'll hop over this log and we'll see what we've gotten.
And how does it work?
So it's a small tent trap, and usually you set them up by kind of like a bug highway. So the bugs fly, they get filtered into here, they crawl up, up, up. And then over on this side, we have our device that captures them, and that's filled with ethanol.
Oh, wow. I think I can see a few crawling around.
Oh, great. So we've just checked our Malays trap, and we've actually gotten a little native bee here.
You found a native bee?
Yeah, I'll just pour out some of the debris.
What's a native bee look like?
This one is iridescent green.
Iridescent, so
Yeah.
shining green.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa.
I'll try and fish it out. to show
That's
you.
not a honeybee.
No, this is a little tiny. It's rolled up.
It's so tiny. Wow. It's like a little ball.
Yeah, so we'll give this to our bee and wasp specialists on the trip and hopefully get an ID on this one.
Wow. Are there many native bees in Australia?
There's lots of native bees and lots of native wasps.
That's
Sometimes they're so small you won't even notice them, but with methods like this for trapping, we get to find them and see them up close.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a bit of an adventure going on collecting trips.
It certainly is.
Where's the most exciting place you've collected?
In the Pilliga?
Wow, this is pretty beautiful. Look at it.
Yeah, we're on this beautiful dry creek bed and there's amazing tracks everywhere. I can see some kangaroo tracks, some emu tracks further up,
Wow.
lizards, snakes.
So it's pretty cool being a biologist, you'd say?
It's amazing, and we get to work in beautiful places like this, but we also get to do really exciting stuff in the lab when we get back home.
Why is it important to name species?
Well, at the moment, when we look at invertebrates in Australia, we've named only 20% of all the species that we have, and we have a lot of threats to those species. So there's this concern that before we name something, it could actually go extinct.
Oh, that would be terrible.
Yep, so we've got a lot of hardworking scientists on trips like this in the Pilliga working to name those species to prevent that happening.
Yeah, so we got to name it to protect it.
Exactly.
Awesome. Well, let's get finding these new species.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, Maya, do you have any advice for younger Maya who might be thinking of becoming a scientist?
I would say to her, give it a go. You are capable, you've got this, you are passionate, and passion can take you a very, very long way in ecology or any environmental science field.
That's such great advice, not just to young Maya, but for our watchers too.
Absolutely.
Have you found another one?
Yeah, so we have lots of these beetles on the reeds here. There's one right at the tip.
Oh, wow. Adorable.
And we have another few over here. They're loving the flowers.
And is there any reason they like flowers?
It's a food source for them and their young. And so it's a nice spot to set up home. A lot of them are mating here and they'll produce eggs soon.
Wow, and do they help pollinate if they hang around flowers all day?
Definitely, the bugs and beetles are important pollinators in forests like here in the Pilliga.
Here's one right here in front of us. I never thought bugs were so cool, Maya.
Yeah, exactly. I'd love to stay and chat, but I've got some species to describe.
Well, we'll wish you luck.
Bye.
Bye.
Hang on, don't stop the video yet.
Whoa, you found something!
I found a true bug.
Whoa, what have we got?
It's beautiful. I'll show it to you.
Whoa, that's even smaller than your other one.
It's okay, there's plenty more.
Whoa.
They're all on these reeds and they're
Wow.
mating on the flowers here.
Oh, they're mating on them. Wow.
So I'll have a look for another.
I guess that's kind of exciting. Like, never stop looking because you don't know what you'll find.
Definitely, yeah, they're all here. We just have to have a keen eye.
Keen eye. And how would you encourage people to search for bugs in their backyard?
Well, there's lots of ways. The main way would be to have a look at anything that's flowering, especially if you've got native plants in your garden.
Native plants, got it.
So anything that's got a flower, usually the bugs are there. They might be mating, they might have eggs or young, and just having a look, turning over some leaves, seeing what might be hiding.
Wow, well, I really feel like I'm distracting you, so I better go.
Yes, I'll leave you to it, and I've got some bugs to catch.
Well, good luck.
Meet our other awesome scientists and learn more about Australian biodiversity at our YouTube channel, or visit us at bushblitz.org.au. Who knows, you might even uncover a species new to science living in your own backyard. See you next time!
Absolutely.
Oh, cool.
Cool. Oh, sorry.